In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize folders in Pages. To get started, go to the Pages area of your site or dashboard. This is where you manage the pages that appear on your website, and it's also where you can keep your content neatly structured. If you have a growing list of pages, using folders can make everything much easier to navigate, especially when you want to group related pages together in one place. Once you're in Pages, look for the main navigation section. This is the area that controls the primary structure of your site's pages and menu organization. In that section, click the plus icon. This button is used to add something new to the navigation structure, so it's the starting point for creating a folder. After you click the plus icon, select Folder from the available options. Choosing Folder will create a new container that you can use to organize pages. Think of it as a way to keep similar content grouped together, which is especially helpful if your site includes multiple categories, sections, or landing pages that belong under one broader topic. Once the folder has been created, the next step is to place pages inside it. To do that, drag existing pages directly underneath the folder and make sure they appear slightly indented inside it. That indentation is important because it shows that the page now belongs within the folder rather than sitting at the top level of your navigation. You can also place newly created pages into the folder the same way. Just drag them underneath the folder and indent them so the structure is clear. If the page is not indented correctly, it may remain outside the folder. So take a moment to check the placement before moving on. As you organize your pages, it's a good idea to keep related content together in a way that makes sense for both you and your visitors. A clean structure can make your site easier to manage behind the scenes and easier to browse on the front end. That's all it takes to create a folder and organize pages inside it. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and intuitive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.